Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best infant swing is probably one of the most cherished additions to any backyard playset, offering a safe and joyful space for your littlest ones to experience the simple pleasure of swinging, fostering their development and creating lasting memories right in your own home. Number 5. Little Tikes Snug and Secure Pink Swing. Introducing a versatile swing designed to adapt as your child grows. It starts as a safe space for babies and easily transforms into a toddler swing, supporting up to 50 pounds. Ensure your little one's first swinging experience is both comfortable and secure. Adjustable straps and a locking mechanism keep them safely in place, providing peace of mind. This swing easily converts to accommodate growing toddlers. Simply move the T-bar to the bottom for a comfortable fit, and it stores conveniently when not in use. At Little Tikes, we believe in the power of play. This swing encourages outdoor activity and helps unlock your child's full potential through shared moments. Crafted with care in the heartland of America, this swing is built for quality and lasting fun. Enjoy precious moments together, creating lasting memories. What we like? This swing is designed to adapt as your child grows, offering a secure and comfortable experience from baby to toddler. If you are looking for a long-term investment that provides continuous use and safety features, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for parents who want a single swing solution that accommodates their child's development. What people say. The swing is very sturdy and well-made, with durable materials that seem like they will last for a long time. It's designed to be safe for infants, with a secure harness system that keeps the baby snug and protected. The swing provides a gentle swaying motion that babies seem to enjoy, helping to soothe them and keep them entertained. Number 4. Jungle Gym Kingdom Swing Set Replacement Kit, Green, 2-pack. Introducing a heavy-duty swing replacement kit that brings the quality of a school playground right to your backyard. You can easily create a DIY swing on your porch, in a tree, or upgrade any existing swing set. Designed with safety in mind, these swings feature plastic-coated, pinch-free chains for a secure experience. They are stable and can hold up to 300 pounds, making them safe for both kids and adults to enjoy. Constructed with durable materials, just like those found in local parks, these swings are built to withstand rough play from kids and the elements. They are designed to last through countless hours of fun. Getting started is easy as these accessories arrive fully assembled. Simply use the included snap hooks to attach the chains to your existing swing set. You can easily adjust the height to your preference. This backyard kit includes 2 pre-assembled swing seats with heavy-duty chains and 4 metal snap hooks for easy attachment. Get ready to swing in no time. What we like? These are built for durability and safety, featuring a robust construction that can even support adult weight. If you need a reliable replacement swing seat for an existing playset or want to create a sturdy DIY swing, this is the ideal option. It's perfect for families where everyone wants to join in on the swinging fun. What people say. The swing is designed to be a safe and comfortable option for infants, with features like a secure harness and supportive seating. It attaches easily to most standard swing sets, making installation a breeze for parents. The durable materials ensure the swing can withstand outdoor weather conditions and frequent use. Number 3. Swurfer Coconut Toddler Swing. Introducing the Swurfer Coconut Toddler Swing, designed for ultimate comfort and safety. It features a sleek, modern design with soft, braided rope that's gentle on hands. Your child's security is paramount. This swing includes a 3-point adjustable safety harness made from soft fabric, ensuring they are held securely and comfortably. Perfect for any play situation, this swing can be used indoors or outdoors. Hang it from a swing set, a tree, or even in your baby's room for endless fun. Setting up is a breeze. Everything you need for a simple and safe installation is included. The adjustable harness grows with your child. Crafted with a focus on durability and comfort, it holds up to 50 pounds. The blister-free rope ensures a pleasant experience for little hands. We are confident you'll love this swing. We stand behind our product with a 1-year 100% satisfaction guarantee, ensuring you're happy with your purchase. What we like? This swing prioritizes comfort and ease of use with its soft, adjustable harness and gentle rope. If you are looking for a swing that is quick to install and provides a secure, comfortable ride for infants and toddlers, this is a great pick. It's especially suitable for those who value a smooth, snag-free experience for little ones. What people say. The swing is designed for infants and comes with a secure harness to keep the baby safe. It's made of durable plastic that can withstand outdoor weather conditions. The swing's deep seat and high back provide good support for the baby. Number 2. Backyard Discovery Lakewood Cedar Swing Set. Discover an elevated clubhouse with a vibrant canopy roof and windows, designed for endless outdoor fun. It's the perfect spot for your little ones to explore and play. This playset features a charming lower playhouse with a welcoming front door and windows. It's an inviting space crafted to spark imagination and creative adventures. Transform snack time into a delightful experience with the built-in picnic area and snack bar window. It's ideal for enjoying treats or playing restaurant games. Enjoy versatile swinging fun with 2 classic belt swings and a trapeze bar. Multiple children can swing and play together, creating joyful memories. We stand behind our quality with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. This ensures added peace of mind for your family's enjoyment. This cedarwood swing set offers a complete outdoor adventure. It combines a clubhouse, playhouse, picnic area, and multiple swinging options for hours of entertainment. What we like. This is a complete playset offering a variety of activities beyond just swinging, including a clubhouse and picnic area. If you're looking to create an entire backyard adventure zone for your children with multiple entertainment options, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for families wanting a comprehensive outdoor play experience. What people say. The swing is made of durable, weather-resistant material that holds up well outdoors. It features a secure harness system to keep the baby safely in place during swings. The design is simple and easy to attach to most standard swing sets. Number 1. Monkey and Mouse Baby Swing. Experience superior quality with our durable cotton canvas swing, built on a sturdy beechwood frame. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor adventures, providing reliable entertainment. Your little one's security is paramount. Our hanging chair features a safety belt and multiple suspension points to prevent tipping, ensuring a safe and supportive experience for toddlers up to 4 years old. Spark your baby's curiosity with natural, splinter-free beechwood toys. These tactile elements attached to the ropes encourage development and strengthen motor skills while keeping them entertained. Setting up is a breeze. This portable swing can be easily installed indoors or outdoors, whether you choose to hang it from a tree, a doorway, or a ceiling. All necessary hardware is included. Enhance your home's aesthetic with this beautifully designed swing. Its natural wood elements and cotton canvas complement any nursery, bedroom, or playroom, offering a touch of Montessori-inspired style. What we like. This swing combines natural materials with engaging sensory elements for a stylish and developmental experience. If you appreciate a minimalist, natural aesthetic and want a swing that also entertains your baby with tactile toys, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for nurseries or playrooms aiming for a calm, Montessori-inspired look. What people say. The swing is very sturdy and well-made, with durable materials that seem like they will last for a long time. The design is excellent, with a secure harness that keeps the baby safe and comfortable during swings. It's easy to install and adjust, making it a convenient option for parents who want a hassle-free experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.